Hello, BIM professionals. I hope you guys are doing well. And I am Bijal Shah, and I'm working in UAE with the Al Suwaidi group of companies under Al Suwaidi Computer Company. And I'm working as a BIM and construction cloud specialist. And in today's session, what we are going to have a look is our own professional journey, as we all are somewhere involved in the BIM technology. But this technology is nowadays become one industry. And at the same time, when we talk about this industry is also playing vital role in AEC industry, that's architecture, engineering, and construction development. So, we are going to see our own journey from learning to leadership level. Few of you guys are already crossed all these levels and reached up to the leadership level, and few of you guys are from essential level or just started your journey, and some are like me at the middle of a journey. So, yes, we are going to see all the phases we are facing, all the challenges, how we are coming through that challenges. So in today's session, we will be having a look of all that areas. So to initiate, let's just start with, so what is actually outlined for this day, for this session. So somewhere I would like to share my own experience also. So there we will be talking about who I am and what I am. What am I? Where am I standing today? All that things. What all challenges I faced. We will be discussing during this journey about that also. Also, how we can initiate at educational level to initiate our path with BIM. How is this journey at essential level as early career, you can say early career stage. As a BIM professional, we will be talking about that as well. Transitions to leadership. So we have to cross multiple levels when we are talking about leadership. So all that transition stages also we will be having a look what are challenges and what are the future trends for this. Also we will talk. And in my this journey, currently as I'm working with this Al-Suwaidi computer, why I am with Al Suwaidi and what is actually Al Suwaidi's role in this professional development when we talk about BIM technology. Not only for me, but for others and for other BIM professionals as well, and how we can come and develop ourselves to the leadership in the BIM. So, this all are the areas we will be talking today. Let's initiate with me. So I have overall 18 years of experience with this AEC industry. I initiated my career as a designer. Then I just started somewhere technology. I started providing technology to the architecture colleges in India, Mumbai. Yes, guys, I am from India and I'm originally from Mumbai, but you can say partially I'm a mixture of Mumbai and Gujarat. As my professional journey started in Mumbai, and yes, somewhere I got some of the good opportunities in Gujarat also, and now I'm working in UAE. So that is somewhere my initial level of journey. And then I started working as a consultant also as a BIM and construction cloud specialist. Today I'm giving lot of advisories and consultancies to my project divisions, and not only to my company project divisions, but also at the same time we are providing consultancies to all the companies who are somewhere hesitate or somewhere finding some challenges to adopt this BIM technology. So where we play a vital role. I'm working with Al Suwaidi Group, Al Suwaidi Computer Company, and I'm specialized with Autodesk BIM as well as construction cloud technology, and also joining this company. And at the same time, my overall goal and mission, you can say, is just to make my customers to make their project design and build their project design better for the future with all the required strength as well as all the beautiful arts also to be included. So that is something is my main goal, as well as I'm joining also with the computer company also for the same vision. So let's now talk about educational journey where we initiate to explore this technology. So when we talk about this technology, the first thing is we should know why are we going for this technology. And this is technology. This is not exactly all the domains. It's a technology. And this technology is adaptable to architecture, engineering, and construction areas, where we should know a foundational knowledge of these areas. Once you are part of these areas, it becomes very easy for you to initiate with BIM fundamentals, which is called an intermediate level. In that case, also, once you start exploring fundamentals, you will come to know which is your strength, which is your weakness in this industry. So, accordingly, you can finalize or you can grab your specialization with the BIM skills. Accordingly, you can create your level in industry, professional level in industry. So that way we can initiate from journey to the professional level. And with this professional growth itself, you can come to the leadership as well as innovation area with this technology. As I mentioned earlier, BIM was just one technology. Right now, also it is technology, but it is working as one industry or a tool, very important role in AEC projects, not only in AEC project. Nowadays, it is involved somewhere in manufacturing industry as well. And so some productions are also happening with the help of this technology and also plant and engineering areas. So yes, now BIM has taken a place in that areas also. Now, once we finish education of the technology, the first thing comes is we need to start our career, right? So, where to start our career from? So, some areas where we can initiate our career is with our technical skills. Like if I'm getting an opportunity to work as a BIM modeler or a BIM engineer, also is good for me. But at the same time, what all criterias are required? So, technical skills, some soft skills, which is very important again, building experience with that skills. Also, at the internship level or entry level of the positions, you can create your own network. This network is going to help you to develop yourself, which is very important. Let's take an example of our community, BIM Heroes community. We are part of this community. We are learning everyday new things. At the same time, we are sharing new things. So this is something a call as a networking. So this is also very important in our career growth, career professional journey for the BIM technology, especially because nowadays BIM is blooming for the AEC projects, plant industry projects, as well as production industry projects. So what all typical roles are involved when we start our journey? Once we finish our education, the first opportunity what we can expect is either a BIM modeler or else we can be a BIM technician. It's okay. That is actually a good start. As an application engineer, also we can start. I started my career with an application engineer. So that initial level is very important. If we get involved and we prove ourselves and we keep developing ourselves at that level, then we can come to the next level. That's either BIM coordinator level. If you are involved in project, it becomes BIM coordinator level. But if you are involved with technology, then you can become a consultant also, advisor also, where you can actually suggest, guide, or implement with the team who all are working on a project. Then the next level comes as a BIM manager. So BIM manager plays very important role in a project. Why? Because he is going to finalizing lot of standard documents plus standardized criterias. Everything will be getting managed by the manager. Equivalent to that, if say for example person is involved in technology provider or solution provider, so he or she can become as a specialist, senior BIM technical specialist or BIM specialist, etc. Then the next level comes when we cross all the levels smoothly or else with a lot of challenges. We are learning lot of things. We are learning is multiple technologies and at the same time multiple skills. So then we can come to the leadership area. That's called a lead BIM. So this is actually becoming a journey. But in this journey, how we can just transit ourselves from stage one to the top stage. Let's talk about transitions to leadership. So in transition journey, we come with lot of stages. For example, if I am just initiating my career as a modeler, I cannot be modeler for lifetime. I have to get developed for next level to come to the next level. So there, what is going to help me? So my technical knowledge, that is also very important, that my technical knowledge should be always developed and you should be ready to learn always the new technologies which are coming. So that is the most important thing. Second part is strategic thinking. Strategic thinking is what? We have to think about how we are going to initiate with the project work, how we are going to work on areas of the project, how we are going to understand the requirement, etc. And at the same time, managing the project. So that is something which involves a team also. So collaboration, coordination, everything comes under these two strategies, strategic thinking as well as project management. Once I'm ready to understand these two things, I can level up again myself with some of the team management areas where I can play a role of a team manager or team coordinator. That's called a BIM coordinator or a BIM manager. That depends on your capabilities. So slowly you are developing your leadership skills also. So this is a cycle for that. Life cycle for the journey of leadership, where we start from stage one, that's a modeler or engineer, etc., and where we reach up to the leadership areas. Next thing, this journey is never going to be smooth, right? This journey is always going to be challenging. So, what are challenges we face? As a technology, if we just count, there will be a list of challenges. So, where I'm going to highlight few challenges here. So, first thing is multiple softwares with this technology is available. That is called tools are available. So, what we need to do is continuous learning and upskilling ourselves. Secondly, when multiple tools are available, we need a lot of interoperabilities also between each tools. So that is also challenge, but that was a faced challenge. Now we are overcoming that challenge. Then this was the areas. Later on, the next development is coming, which is the most happening and latest trend right now. Integration with artificial intelligence and machine learning in a BIM process. So we are reshaping our project deliveries and we are making our project more efficient. At the same time, this all projects are happening somewhere in a construction industry. So to make that construction industry better for the future, we are emphasizing more towards sustainability as well as construction. So all these challenges were there, but now the developments are happening, and this developments also as a BIM specialist, as a BIM manager or a BIM professional, we have to adopt and we have to implement also. So, what is actually, when we talk about this all journey, the most important thing is we need some guidance to adopt this technology, to make that innovation in a project. So, yes, their BIM leader plays a role, very effective role, you should say, where his or her strategic thinking will get aligned for the BIM projects, and it will make it up to the level of the standard which is required, where it is also called as a drive innovation for the project success. So, these are the main areas where leadership plays a vital role. So, leaders should be always ready to not only adopt, but at the same time engage all the stakeholders in this all criteria. So, that mentorship will also very helpful for the team. Now, then, all these areas are very important. What we need, what is our main agenda when we talk about this project and all that things. As a BIM professional, what is main goal? To make our project smooth and up to the mark, maintain all the standards, government norms, etc. So there we need some consultancies, some advisories. At the same time, we need some experts also from industry. So where Al-Suwaidi will come in a picture, which will help us to connect our dream. Whether the dream has been taken, a dream has been there, focused by a project manager or a project owner, or else as a BIM modeler. Also, the is involved for all the areas. We are specialized to support this technology to project as well as BIM resource also. For example, if I have a huge project, my customer is already facing some challenges during his project. What I can do for him? He left with actually some challenges in the mid of the project. What I can support him? I can support him by providing my services like implementing BIM, adopting BIM, at the same time BIM project based services. Also, Al-Suwaidi can provide a resource, right resource for the project according to the project requirement. So this all areas where Al-Suwaidi computer is playing a vital role to connect all the dreams which we are taking to make our project success. So we are not only into softwares, but we are providing all the relevant services as well. Al-Suwaidi is overall playing a role from IT solution to service provider for total AEC product, as well as you can say media and entertainment, and very importantly plant areas also. Recently we are involved in multiple government projects also. So guys, if there is any challenges in your BIM projects, you can connect us anytime. So this was overall journey we discussed for the BIM professionals. And in this journey, we already checked lot of challenges. We went through lot of challenges, but finally now we are here with the solutions. So now let's just have a small discussion round after the session, and we will talk about our own experiences, and also very importantly we will also discuss about our own ideal projects. So whatever challenges we face during that project journey, we, if we are discussing on that, definitely we can share our experience with other BIM professionals, so they will also get some guidance with this discussion. So we will meet up again during our discussion round. Till the time, thank you, and let's be in a touch. Thank you, everyone.